Top 8 famous hill stations in India. India is a country that has a very varied topography, which means that the country is full of holiday destinations that cater to all kinds of travelers. Same is the case with the hill stations in India. As with the Aravalis, Vindhyas and the Himalayas, India has a lot of destinations to offer in almost all parts of the country. Let's have a look at the 8 best hill stations in India that are famous for their tranquility, landscapes and easygoing lifestyle. Number 1. Leh Ladakh, land of the high passes. From driving through the world's highest passes to soaking in the scenic beauty, there are a lot of reasons why Leh Ladakh is counted among the most famous hill stations in India. You can opt for a simple tour package that takes care of your travel and accommodation, or you can plan an adventurous bike ride to the destination. Some of the popular places you can check out include Pangong Lake, Royal Leh Palace, Somorari, the Magnetic Hill, Zanskar Valley, and much more. Ladakh is the highest hill station in India and also the most famous one. You have to experience this place at least once in a lifetime. Number 2. Nainital, Uttarakhand, the hill station of lakes. A small town in Uttarakhand's Kumaon range, Nainital is one of the most popular honeymoon destinations in India. It is also known as the Lake District of India and has something to offer for everyone, from families and couples to solo travelers alike. Some of the activities that may be enjoyed at this famous hill station in India include rock climbing, canoeing, kayaking, horse riding and parasailing. The tourist spots in Nainital include Naini Peak, Snow View, Tiffin Top and Naini Lake. The place also has small markets that are always buzzing with activity and streets that lead to beautiful forest patches. Although this is a famous honeymoon destination, you can come here for a family holiday too. Number 3. Manali in Himachal Pradesh, Valley of the Gods. The Kulu Valley offers mesmerizing views of scenic snow-clad peaks and lush forests. On the list of hill stations in India that are most popular, Manali has a touristy vibe to it right from the moment you enter. Heli skiing, camping, trekking, rock climbing and hiking are some of the adventure sports you can partake in here. And many Tibetan monasteries, Rotang Pass and Solang Valley are the tourist destinations that you can visit here. Make sure you add this place to your bucket list. Number 4. Mussoorie in Uttarakhand, the queen of the hill stations. Mussoorie is one of the most visited hill stations in India and is famous for being the home of Ruskin Bond. Located at a distance of about 34 kilometers from Dehradun, this hill station offers amazing views of the Himalayas to the north and of the Doon Valley towards the south. Mussoorie has been specially developed for tourism and is full of places to visit and things to do. You can take a cable car ride to Gun Hill, walk along Mall Road, or head towards the highest point, Lal Tibba, for some beautiful views of the place. Number 5. Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir, a popular hill station and skiing destination. Gulmarg is home to the highest gondola in the world, which runs up to an astounding height of 4,000 meters above the ground. In the summers, this hill station becomes a paradise for trekkers. The main tourist activities at Gulmarg include skiing and snowboarding. The main market is full of jewelry, pashmina, and many other unique souvenirs that you can take home with you. Number 6. Darjeeling in West Bengal, the hill station of tea plantations. Darjeeling offers magnificent views of the Kanchenjunga and several other mountains and hills. This is one of the hill stations in India that's famous for its large tea estates. In fact, most tour packages available for Darjeeling include tours of tea plantations as well. Home to several waterfalls, another very famous feature of Darjeeling is its toy train, which makes for a very memorable ride. Other than that, the popular tourist attractions at the hill station include Observatory Hill, Ghoom Monastery and Senchal Lake. Number 7. Shillong in Meghalaya, the Scotland of the East as it's always known. The best time to book your Shillong holiday for a visit would be during the monsoons. In the capital of Meghalaya, the entire city seems to be bathed in a new life during the rainy season. Offering captivating landscapes, there are several things that you can do here. You can employ a relaxing picnic near the Elephant Falls, experience a boat ride at Umiam Lake, or climb over to Shillong Peak. For the adventurer in you, you can try looking for a Shillong holiday that also includes water skiing or kayaking at one of the lakes in the city. And finally, number 8, Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, the hill station where the 6th Dalai Lama, Sangyang Gyatso, was born. Tawang is home to India's largest Tibetan monastery, where almost 500 lamas reside. Counted among the top 10 hill stations in India, Tawang is characterized by the refreshing mountain air. This place also offers enthusiasts some amazing trekking opportunities. When in Tawang, you should definitely visit the 400-year-old Tawang Gompa to turn the prayer wheels. You can go for a walk around the beautiful town and chat with the friendly locals. This list of hill stations in India is full of destinations that you should visit at least once in your life. With scenic views, amazing and friendly populations, and the chance to enjoy perfect weather, these hill stations in India are a paradise for all travelers. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.